Mwanjito muliyege anigo chiaragire chensa isana na ibere chiabona mugaso chinga kitwa kwariganiria maya asentra yo bwenge karaso kibona butambe tunyara togosanga tunyara tokumanya boigo bunagende tugateka korwa chingo a ministry ya Kenya butambe ngo tugo cyakorwa se county to yakisi twamana go cha county chinde twakumanya ali agende tukwene kibukurwa sebinyoro go ikase chi county to buna butambe mwanjito muligeria na botunya sense media Facebook ko YouTube onyare ko gusanga na intwe twakumanya unatoko kumanyali agendete wateka buna butambiri tende na ndemo na ningo kuwaligania semesa ya maya chensa isano na ibere Togo chaka bene kurwase county ya Kisii bunenchira yemo yoko baikera balimi na baikokosira anene kigima bali abekemerigie kawa Bononi ya serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii se wizara y'obulimi n'obulimi n'abayigo omurubiryo na VCPD bononi gabalimi bekawa kurwase cooperative ya Nyamache omuranire abo asebago chakwegwa egiranti ye chimilioni sana ibere n'utaisana na ibere ryo chobara chikotumeka kugora chi mashini chinya chogosya Nabaigo chiogosabura ekawa Mwanjito mulgeria no murubiryo nyara kawakorekana chinsemecho tunyaro roboti rwa sinchra yabene.
Chief Officer Fisheries Livestock and Veterinary Services Kisii County ntenenere muradi okoro ku National Value Chain Development Project in Agriculture na CPDP lero iga litukeri iga lya lero muradi oyo wo support ti value chain chera sesemo ya agriculture tobwate ekawa coffee tobwate banana itoke tobwate avocado tobwate chombe cha mabere tobwate ne chingoko lero iga etwacha igoro ye kawa abalemi mbabwate chikawa asesemo ya Gusii Nande tuanyote ngasi factory chiavo chimashini echirense chiri chigokora bulbing chiko sabura ekawa masabu chia reduce the quality of the coffee cherries factory ne cooperative ya Nyamache ega apply for a grant ilinde banyale korosia na gonjoleria obokora libora ase cooperative yabo
igotora iga Nyamache sengencho gocha kwa mugabano ito simbara tietaya asega singiya agendrete kunyara kobo gokora mono buna samangana y'oburemi ekawa nabo igo gentenari chikurige limono nga ari gocha gotosira na mangana yechiombe
na ira niringa mbiya mona sengenjo litukuria rero mugabana achika gocha stadium ite Nyamache amo nabalimi bechikawa nabalimi bechingenje chinyinge nari gusaba nga mbiya mono mugambi akiagere gasi wende tokora ase county ya Kisii nengiya nando mugambi akodingine amarorao nabo turo county yetu igorugya asengenjo yemintu muno bolemi obwechikawa muna gwachire rero ekioratwe ekirato konye asengenjo yogo komentana nikitubwate asamagenderero banyoro twanyode chinguri chingiya echokoira abana baito kiskuru
encherere ngiya obolemi bwa maoga na rosie na sarigaria mache mazuri enasari ya maoga abantu bajete kitageka chinke sana bagaka bakaire bagajigosime
Naboigo egati ya MCA kurwase county assembly ya Kisii nigo besokiri na kwemurungania engana yabo yoko ba intimidated kurwase county executive abo asebasabiro kwenekigwa wa siasa chomorembe na kero musimamo umwana siasa ndebwensi osikwe okwana ime yomo baganyo yomo ime county ya Kisii bakoragwa na MMC we ward ya basi boitangale Thomas Obare nigo basabire buna chigali cyabo MC yabo cyabete chigo sarigwo mwako eta kase county ya Kisii na bali boigo bakomusiro muske Fred Matiangi bebe bagosikwa na boigo kwegwa freedom yogokora ebintu biria batagete.
Mimi ni Thomas Obare, mwakilishi wadi eneo bunge la Bobasi Boitangare. Leo tumekuja hapa kuongelea mambo ya usalama ambayo imeonekana kukosekana katika jiji letu la Kisii. Pili, tuongelee yale ambayo yanaendelea kisiasa na ile ambayo inachangia ukosefu wa usalama. Mwaka uliopita Disemba tarehe 2 tukiwa kule kwenye bunge, magari yetu yalipasuliwa na vijana ambao walikuwa wametumwa na mkuu wa kaunti yetu ambaye ni Gavana Simba. Na alikuwa amewaambia vyema kwamba hakuna hatua yoyote ambayo itachukuliwa dhidi yao. Na kwa hakika leo hii tunavyoongea, hata baada ya wa usalama bwana, tukaandikia PS bwana Raymond Omolo, tukaandikia mkuu wa askari the IG to the police, hakuna mtu yoyote ambaye kitendo cha kushambulia ya waathirika. Leo hii juzi ama wiki iliyopita, gavana wetu wamekuwa na mikutano kadhaa na vijana wa bodaboda, na ujumbe ni kuwa yeyote ambaye anampinga ama yeyote ambaye haungi mkono serikali ya William Ruto lazima pigwe, lazima atolewe nguo, video ichukuliwe, wamtumie na wape pesa.
Late last year, late 2025, some of the MCAs decided not to join the governor when he was going to State House. And since then, these MCAs have faced various kinds of intimidation from our governor, starting from in terms of budget implementation. There was a time that we were denied some budget allocation that was coming from fuel levy fund because we didn't go to State House. Recently, like a week ago, in my ward, we were distributing bursary forms, and it's on record that the minister representing the governor tried to intimidate me. And when I was speaking to my people, the minister came and with so many goons, about 30 or so, and they were trying to say that I cannot speak to my people simply because I took a decision not to go to State House, and I'm supporting Matiang'i.
Mwanjito Margeria ejuwa negatia wa MCA kurwase kaunti ya Kisii hasiba gotebangani ngo babete bagocherwa nabego kumumuchia omugavana bwe kaunti yo ya Kisii nabego chiskuri sano kurwase constituency ya Molo ime kaunti ya Nakuru nigo chanyoliro ko rosigwa okoya maiga yomorobirio bwo agacha bwe chinyomba cha magulense kwerwa asokwa agacha ebirasi chi laboratory amoneshi nyomba choborai unenchira yogosira chiseme aschenseme cho cha Nakuru.
Happy today because we have received our visitors who had come to hand over the site where the school is going to benefit from the administration block and classes as well as the hostels. This is going to improve this institution very much, considering that this is an old school which was started in 1938, and therefore some of the buildings that are there are old and definitely needed some change. So we thank the Member of Parliament so much and the government because of considering Michinda and also the provision of the infrastructure that is going to change this school completely.
We're going to have an increase on the engagement of the locals, especially the youth in this project, so that they can gain, employment particular site. Apart from the housing project, it's a 4.2 billion project. There are also other infrastructure that goes together with this project. There are some infrastructure in different schools, about 5 schools in the area. One of them is within Michinda Primary itself. We are doing an admission block and some student dormitories, which we've actually handed over the site to the contractor today. We're also doing some additional classroom in these particular schools. We have PCA Elbagon Secondary School, where we are adding some extra classrooms. We're also having a new Creation Primary, also extra classroom, Socorro Primary, and Orthodox Primary School. Because as part of this project, we are saying that the project needs to be beneficial to the community. So these are some of the things that we are trying to do so that the community benefits from this affordable housing project. We've gone round and
nabego Mwanjito Margeria orogongo rwa Nyanza nigo rwarekanire koba nebirengo bigoro mono asogosarirwa kwa bana abanyaruka kiga kibono abana wetaniye 200 bagusaganwa Kiromotienyi aschinseme cha Nyanza ayankolengana na Flora Mworwa oyuole regional commissioner Onyansa asatebire munamba chikoliga chinchira bakwenekya buna abana bose baba baiseke babe nabayigo abamura bachikonyara bakulendwa nabayigo lichikoli abana kubwatiwa.
We are here because of sexual and gender-based violence, which cases are rising by the day in our region, the county, and even this sub-county that we are here. The DCC and the stakeholders within this county have organized a conference so that all the stakeholders come together and agree on the best way to deal with sexual and gender-based violence in the sub. So as you are all aware, sexual and gender-based violence leads to a lot of ills in our society. We have very many reported cases of teen pregnancies. We have reported cases of gender violence. At the end of the day, some of these cases contribute to teenage pregnancies. These teenage pregnancies also lead to HIV and AIDS infections. As I mentioned earlier, the numbers of defilements that are reported monthly in this region are alarming, and something needs to be done to make sure that the numbers come down.
Gender-based violence, particularly affecting children, defilement, and maybe a few cases of rape and some sodomy, as I said. And this is a problem that we have noted over time. And initially there was a feeling that probably it is over-reporting, but actually there's a problem. And as she was indicating, in the region, you have up to 70 cases being reported in a day. And we are informed that in this particular sub-county, it is probably coming as one of the highest.
Mwaziri omonene uyuboigoro mutenini bwa magana yechinse chescom Salim David otebire kubwaterana wense ya Kenya n'ense ya German nigokora konye asogokinia ense ya Kenya kuchase birongo bigoro kolenta omorembe gokoro muchando bwoboibe naboigo obwechibese nobokurumi bogendete kwene kwimense ya Kenya nigaya kwanaya maiga yo mwaziri wechinse chesco yense ya Germany omoske Johani wadepuri okoleta yaye entangani hochemense ya Kenya moyo kolekana asumo baganyo yo moimense ya Kenya negati ya barai wikera nasi chinsemecho.
What are the benefits that accrue since we signed the structured partnership on labor mobility? I may not be able to give you specific data at this point in time. But it has, the initial position is that we are seeing a more structured approach between those who take advantage of opportunities in Germany in terms of skill direction, skill identification. So it is not what you call a haphazard migration. We want to use it more positively, what you would call productive mobility. And to attain productive mobility, then we have to have a structured process. That is what this agreement between us and Germany seeks to have. So we will see the results further down the line, and I'm sure they will be positive for both countries. I'm not worried about brain drain. Kenya is churning out a lot of skilled people, and international opportunities are equally important for them, just as much as opportunities locally are critical. But we are not worried about any brain drain. On corruption, we continue to fight this vice. In Kenya, we have made some very significant adjustments. We recently amended the anti-money laundering law to tighten it. We have put in place the bill that deals with the conflict of interest.
Nabaigo chinga kiaboro kia bagiridi kome bagendete weekend nas chiskoro nigo mugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasa abolira serikali ya county nabaiga serikali nene kwene kiabuna kubatukere chibese chibasari go chasi county nabaigo aboro kiwa banyale bagusira banyale bagoikerna as chiskuru chiabo nabaigo kwenyolera chisemi.
We must review the bursary applications ili wale ambao walifanya mtihani wa grade 9 waweze pia kupata bursary ya kutoka kwa county. Na sisi tulikuwa na shida na bursary kwa sababu waheshimiwa walienda kotini wakipitia kwa control of budget, lakini vile tumeenda kotini tumepata uamuzi ya kwamba we can only give bursary for 1 year. So mimi nataka kuambia MCAs, let us do revetting ili wale ambao wanaenda grade 10 na wana uwezo waweze kupata bursary.
Rais William Ruto, vile una create fund ya kujenga mabarabara, kufanya project kubwa, please, mambo ya elimu, create education infrastructure fund. Mtoto akienda junior secondary school asome free, akienda senior secondary school asome free. Hii maneno ya bursary futilia mbali, toa hiyo upuzi. Mtoto akizaliwa ni kwenda kwa shule asome bure.
Kuna watoto wengine ambao hawaja report kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa mapato na karo, na zaidi kumekuwa na changamoto ya kwamba shule nyingine zinalipisha gharama ya juu ya kwamba hata watoto wenyewe wale wanafunzi hawawezi kujimudu. Mbali na utatanishi kati ya zile shule ambazo wamewekwa, imekuwa ni changamoto, jambo ambalo ninashangaza ya kwamba serikali wakati inaweka mikakati mara nyingi pengine inasahau ya kwamba lazima kwanza wachunguze waone ya kwamba ni
na wikira goma njito mulgiria bugeta sengia Soko TV na tukubutera maya chinsa isano na ibere ko ene chukora chinsa 10 no inyora yanda mange no musakito na ndejole omo oyoro yo mintoli net nyambane genda uchingire merebete me emegeta sengia Soko TV una butama manjito mulgiria tariane Diana.